starting to lose your hair. You want a doctor who really cares, who will get you the results you need from your very first surgery.
This is called Newsome, 6 months post hair transplantation using the single follicle extraction and transfer method, using only head hair, mostly taken from the nape and periphery of the donor areas. How many grafts again?
1850.
1850, about 6 months ago. I knew that. I just wanted you to be interactive. So you can see this is the hairline, and it's all going in beautifully. Colin is pleased, right?
Very pleased, yeah, I'm pleased.
So you can see it looks very natural. Also, this hair came from the nape.
Comfortable as can be. Just relax, read a magazine. Coffee and donuts are always free.